Hey guys, Kylie and Steve here with Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Steve, for our review, shoot, and rate, what gun are we looking at today?
Today we're going to look at the Glock 30 chambered in .45 ACP.
Your Glock 30 is going to come in at a height of 4.8 inches, weight with an empty magazine at 26.28 ounces. Your overall length is 6.97 inches with a barrel length of 3.78. Your magazine is going to hold 10 rounds and you're going to come with the standard Glock sights. MSRP, you're looking at $655. You're going to find it in gun stores around
just a little below 500. Count to 10. Count to 10 before you pull that. Did that? Did you pull the trigger? Did it go bang? Mm-hmm. Count to 10 and then cycle, which is now been. Go ahead and cycle it now. All right, Kylie, so you don't shoot a lot of 45. You have shot 45s. Mm-hmm. This one's a compact 45. We did shoot in the same size frame, the 10 millimeter. Mm-hmm. What did you think of this? Would you own one?
I think so.
Okay.
It's for the size, it's really not that bad of a size. I felt like my grip was a little bit better on this one this time. It is snappy, but only because it's 45. But all in all, I liked it.
Okay. You did have one light primer strike. Mm-hmm. We're not 100% sure if that was because of the ammo and maybe for whatever reason it didn't go bang, mm-hmm. or perhaps it could have been the gun could have been dirty and right. clogging up the. It is a used gun that we're using, so. Scale of 1 to 5, this is rating, of course, not necessarily the longevity and the quality of the firearm, because we're not firing enough rounds through to make that decision today. But this is relative to how it's shot today, relative to the price.
I'm gonna say 3.5 to 4.
I'm gonna be right there with you. Again, we're dealing with striker fire guns, which I am slightly more partial to. I thought it shot smoothly, shot accurately. For me, it happens to come up quickly and the sights align quick. That's because I've shot a lot of Glocks, so that's different for all of us, by the way. So keep that in mind when you're out there picking out a gun for yourself. What points naturally for me may be different than Kylie, and certainly may be different for you. Right. And ultimately, you have to pick a gun that first and foremost is reliable, second and foremost is durable, third and foremost is pointable. So it doesn't matter how pointable it is if it doesn't go bang.
Right. All
right, so I'm going to give it probably a 4 as well. Okay. For those folks that want to watch more of us, you're going to hit the bell that's located where?
Underneath our screen that you are watching us on right now, and that'll send you notifications when we upload more videos.
Guys, thanks. We appreciate it. Take care.